Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is entitled "Woman Thinks She Runs the Traffic Stop."
On February 13th, 2024, officers conducted a traffic stop on a driver with a suspended license.
Hey, how you guys doing? My name is Officer Shackman. The reason I pulled you over is that your registration is expired. I'm sorry.
What registration?
Yep, the sticker on the back of your plate.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Did you guys get your IDs and proof of insurance real quick? Appreciate that.
I got my grandson.
Okay.
Please don't. That's my grandbaby, because I know y'all police would be so worried. But that's my grandbaby.
Okay.
You need me to let my window down so you can see that's my grandson?
Yeah, if you don't mind. Yeah,
I swear,
I
don't
appreciate
shoot my grandson.
No, nothing like that.
Do not do that.
How you doing? No, we're not.
My daddy is an ex-retired sheriff, Larry Wise. Please don't shoot my grandson. I got it.
We're not going to hurt your grandson.
I got you. I swear to God, I got you. I didn't know that was expired. That's my license.
Do you have his ID as well?
Who?
In the passenger seat.
No. You pulling me over.
Right.
That's his right. You pulling me over.
Right.
Let me call. Do I need to call my daddy?
Yeah,
He's an ex Larry Wise.
I'm just asking for his ID as well.
No. You pulling me over. I'm the driver. He's not the driver, so I don't think you should get his. Okay. You know what I'm saying?
Is this address still?
Yeah, that's current. It's
okay.
current.
What you guys up to tonight again? I'm sorry.
Huh?
What are you guys up to tonight?
Nothing. I had just dropped my daughter off. I'm older.
Okay.
So I have a 30-year-old and a 29-year-old, and I have a 21-year-old. And I just dropped my daughter off because she go to Africa to get her hair braided. Mm-hmm. And I work at the Sappheiros County Mall. I'm security.
Okay.
I work at the mall, and I dropped her off because I have to be at work, and I don't have time to do all that. So we kind of work together. So yeah, that's all it is. I got my grandson. Okay. My daughter, she works too.
Can you do me a favor? Can you just turn your car for me?
Yes, I don't have a problem.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Okay.
Is there anything illegal inside the car at all?
No. You want me to get out?
Okay. Yeah, if you don't mind real quick.
Yep.
I appreciate that.
Can I call my dad? I want to video everything that's going on.
You are more than welcome to video.
There's so much going on right now.
I understand. So we're just trying to out here to keep everybody safe, you know.
I understand. So that's why I said if you can Google my daddy name, Larry Wise.
Okay.
He's retired.
All right. Now listen, that's a problem.
What's the problem?
Just understand this kind
Hold on. I ain't even got my video started. Let me get my Facebook video started. Let me get my video.
Just
What's up?
Man, you might just step over here. Thank you, I appreciate that.
Let me turn it over.
No problem.
I got you, everything. We just going live. I'm just going live. Look, I'm showing you that. I'm just letting you know we're going live because that's the only way you're going to be safe.
Is there any weapons?
No, you're more than welcome. I got my grandbaby. I just want y'all to shoot because my grandson is in the back seat.
Okay.
Too much shit going on right now.
Do you mind if I search your car?
I don't want you to search my I don't want you to search my car. Even though I don't want you to search my car, period.
Okay.
I'm not drunk, bro. Okay, that's what we disagree.
Even if you was intoxicated, I'm not.
So let's know what's going on, John.
But when people start not listening?
Well, I'm just telling the peasant job, so I can do nothing.
No.
You can film.
No.
You can film. That's fine.
No. If I gotta call my daddy right now, he's an ex-sheriff for St. Clair County. I will call him.
That's fine.
I will call him.
That's fine.
Y'all ain't gonna play us like that. You guys, his name is Larry Wise. LarryWise. Call him or Google him, whatever you need to do. You're not gonna do this shit to us. And I'm telling you, mother, I'm not gonna do this bullshit to us.
Step back over there, please.
Okay. I'm letting you mother know you're not gonna pull that bullshit with us. None of is your name, dude.
Hey, ma'am, step
No. Yes, sir. My name is.
What is his name? I want everybody badge, number, name, or whatever. My daddy is Larry Wise. Listen to me. I don't give a He been a chef for 30-something years.
Come talk to me.
He been something for 30-something years.
Ma'am, come talk to me over here. Ma'am.
White ass cop, racist ass cop.
Come talk to me.
On some bullshit.
Come talk to me.
I'm talking to you.
Okay, well, we don't have to yell.
I'm sick of this racist shit.
There's no reason to yell right now, okay?
I'm letting you know who he is, and I'm spelling his name. Larry Wise, W-I-S-E. He been a sheriff for so many years.
you know, many, many moons ago, when I was a youngin', hold on, let me show you some. Many, many moons ago, I don't know if it's showing or not, but I was a security guard many moons ago. I was young, before I was a correction officer, right? And I didn't act like this. Okay, security guards, you know, a lot of people like to say, you know, they're rent-a-cops, mall, whatever, you know, yeah, you know, right? But they do work with the police, right? If a security guard sees something, they are there to observe and report. Simple, right? Now, this security guard here, you would expect that they work with the police so they would know how to conduct themselves. He started off 50-50. Yes, she was talking calm, but she's saying things where it's like, don't shoot my grandson and all this other stuff, like to put that type of stuff in the kid's head that, okay, police are just known to shoot kids or something like that, whatever, right? It's actually pretty pathetic. She should know better, especially if you're going to keep throwing out your retired dad as if that's going to help you. He's retired and he's a sheriff. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if these guys are sheriff or if they are city cops or whatever, but it's not going to help you. It's not going to help you get out of this situation. And now the fact that she's alive, now she wants to show her ass, right? We seen another incident a few weeks ago, maybe a month ago, about another security guard. Maybe I'll tag it at the end of the video or whatever, but where she acted the same way. Thought she knew it all, loud, obnoxious, not following directions. Same thing. Now, him being a passenger, I don't know. You know, you got to let me know if they're able to, you know, ID, you know, a passenger or whatever. It's stuff like that, especially if they didn't do anything wrong. You know, that I don't know. It gets real iffy with the passengers to me. But either way it goes, he got out. He got Sappheiros. Seems like nothing was on him. He's not handcuffed. Nobody's handcuffed. But she's escalating the problem with being loud and obnoxious. And just because the passenger is drunk or whatever the case may be, who gives a crap? He's a passenger. She's the one that's driving and she's sober. So, or appears to be sober. So we'll see what's going on, man. It's crazy, man, that these people act like this.
I am. I'm calm. I don't like. I just don't. I hate this.
Just talk to me. Just talk to me. Okay?
I'm talking to you.
Okay. We're just trying to make sure everything's okay. All right.
All right.
Okay.
Look, I got my grandson.
I understand. I understand. Well, nobody's gonna get shot. Nobody's getting shot here.
My grandbaby is in his car. My grandbaby is in his car.
I understand.
People say they understand, but they really don't understand. I just got off work. I'm not gonna lie. He is intoxicated.
I am intoxicated.
But I just got off of work.
My wife. I'll take a for everything else.
Ma'am, I need you to put your hands behind your back for me, okay?
Okay, wait, hold up. Come on, just do one thing.
I need you to put your hands behind your back.
West.
Yep, hands behind your back.
Wait.
Pick up, hey, phone in your pocket before you get before it gets dropped, okay?
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay, I just want to make sure everybody is, that's all I'm doing.
I'm going to accept this.
Okay.
Green place under arrest.
I got this. Okay.
Ma'am. Ma'am, stop.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
Ma'am, stop.
Can I call my daddy?
Nope, not now.
Can I call
Ma'am.
my daddy? Can I call my daddy?
Ma'am, stop.
I'm not fucking order. That's what I'm saying. Y'all can't call my mother daddy. Because y'all so mother tough. I can't call my daddy.
You can call him later, okay? These too tight?
No, they're not.
Okay, let me lock them so they don't get any tighter on here, all right? Hang on.
Can y'all get my grandson the phone so he can call my daddy, please?
We'll make sure he's taken care of, okay?
Please. I got my grandson.
What's going on?
I got my grandson in the car.
Okay.
That's all how disrespectful y'all is. Y'all don't give a fuck about family.
We'll make sure he's okay.
Y'all don't give a shit about nothing.
Hop back here for me, okay? Watch your head.
Well, why is y'all arresting me, though?
Your license is suspended.
Oh, well, all right.
Watch your head, okay?
All right.
Okay. This is the issue that I have. One, you're slow on us when we try to stop you. You pass multiple times. I know you're not, but I'm explaining you as a vehicle. Okay? Multiple times this officer asked for your information. All she did was cut you off. I asked for your information. I have cause to identify you because you have open alcohol all over the place inside. That gives. Listen. I don't like to be interrupted. Okay? You refuse to identify yourself. At which point I told you to get out the vehicle. You have to identify yourself. You have to. 100%. You don't, I take you to jail. Let's make that clear. Okay? That is why we got to the point we did there. She has her own little issue. Now, the other issue is not only do I find the empty little baggies everywhere, you're on parole, too. You're not on parole? You discharged? When were you discharged?
I've been on parole for about 4-5 years.
And I'm finding a bunch of little baggies in your little man bag, which is indicative to narcotic distribution. So that's what I'm doing.
I'll be having this for her alone.
That's the worst excuse I've ever heard. Okay? So that is what we're doing right now. I'm conducting a search of the vehicle based on the open alcohol. Listen, I'm explaining. All right? Everybody wants an answer, but nobody wants to listen and wait for it. Okay? So all this hooting and hollering and carrying on isn't doing anything for your cause. It's not going to make us go away.
I'm not hooting and hollering.
Not as much as her. I'll give you that. Is there anything in this vehicle that should not be? Honesty is going to go way far with me.
It's real with me, man.
Okay.
I promise you, and then
That's, I mean, usually, I know the feds can be petty, but usually they got a little threshold.
Listen, I cooperate with y'all guys all the time.
Let me get your phone in your wallet.
Yes, sir. I cooperate with y'all the whole time, man. She really dog work, man. Ain't nothing wrong with her, man. She cool.
Your little recording thing still going on.
She ain't got no warrants or nothing.
No, she's got a suspended license.
So why y'all just want to take her walk off with us, man? I love my wife, man. For real, we from man.
Because our policy is for Class A misdemeanors, we have to go back in the process.
Come on, man. Argue with them, babe. Babe, please. Babe, go argue with them, babe.
The woman was charged with disorderly conduct and driving on a suspended license.
Unfreaking believable. But now that explains why they ID'd him, because they found an open bottle on him so they can ID whoever is in the vehicle. Now, okay, now I get it. Now I understand it. It's just crazy, man. And this is why security guards get a bad rep, man. Like, yeah. If I was Allegiant or a representative of Allegiant security firm or whatever they is, Allegiant or Alliance, whatever the hell they call themselves. I forget that security firm or whatever, but the ones that she worked for, she will be fired. Okay, because you can't even cooperate with police. So if something, and that is a part of your job, to observe and report. If something is getting out of hand, who do you talk to? Who are you calling? You are calling 911. You will be fired. I ain't gonna lie to you. Fired. Unbelievable. Right from the get-go. Oh, don't shoot my grandson. And you know, I know how my daddy retired, 35-year sheriff. And what the fuck? What the hell that got to do with you getting pulled over because your registration is jacked up? Your retired daddy ain't doing nothing about that. Cops don't even give breaks that often as like they used to back in the day, just because of the body cam. Do they still get a little leeway? Yeah, they can still maneuver some things, but it ain't like how it was back in the day, man. They and unless it was something big or whatever, man, they giving you a break, man. They don't want to do that paperwork. Now with body cams, it's like it makes you gotta kind of do your job a little bit more, you know. Anyway, I think the officers did pretty decent. It was crazy that I was doing this video and I didn't even know they were security guards, and I just had this ID laying around on my desk. I just found it the other day. Like, damn, this is crazy. Security guard. Look at that. Look at that. Young man. Young. Wow. I'm an old man now. Crazy. Anyway. So I get officers 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'll catch you in the next video.